So in this video, I would like to show what you can do with the new plugin called Obra Shadcn UI Tools. So let's go to a simple component and explain it. So here we have the tooltip component, and there's something I don't love about this component, which is that the bottom is like the first documentation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the Propstar and I'm gonna work on the order. So we have the side bottom here, we have the side top, left and right. Okay. So the change that I want to make is I think the top one is the one that occurs the most. So I'm going to give this an auto layout and I'm going to move this one to the top. I'm also going to check if the order is the same here. So top, bottom, left and right. Okay. So now I want to regenerate the component documentation. So I'm going to use a plugin called Propstar to do that. But notice how it generates the documentation, but it doesn't look correct. So what we want to use now is the Shadcn tools and the post Propstar treatment. What this plugin will do is move the layer into the right position. So as a maintainer of this system, there's basically a move you have to learn, which is first you de-Propstar, then you Propstar, and then you post Propstar. So if you do all of this with the command menu, you can really easily make your components editable again, do the necessary edits, and then get back to the documentation. If for some reason somebody deleted the initial style, you can get it back with the last option. So let's say that you are fond of the regular style and somebody changed the color. What you can do is, let's say, show UI. You can use reset component set styles. That's just a little utility to help you. For example, here we don't have any component set style, but if I click it, the original style appears. So that's the current Obra Shadcn UI tools. We will be improving this plugin with more functionality, but that's the base of it.